Hi everybody, so let's start with the next topic, that is passive with double objects. Before starting with the topic, let us discuss one more thing. We have already discussed that transitive verbs only have the passive forms because the verb which has an object is only changed into passive voice. Because the object of active becomes the subject of passive. Sometimes the active voice has two objects. Then how do we make passives of the active which has two or double objects? But before starting with that, let's have a glimpse over active to passive. Active. I brought a glass of water. Here I is the subject, brought is the verb, a glass of water is the object, and in passive voice a glass of water becomes the subject. Was is the helping verb because brought is there, which shows that this is simple past tense. Brought is the past participle, that is the main verb. By is the preposition and me is the object. A glass of water was brought by me. So this is how we change from active to passive. If you remember, I had told you that it's in most of the sentences preposition by is used, but it's not mandatory. Somewhere the prepositions are changed as per the sentences. The word by is not always used as preposition in passive voice. Sometimes other words like with, to, etc. are also used. For example, water fills the tub. We will not say the tub is filled by water. क्यों? वाटर ने खुद तो नहीं, मतलब किसी ने वाटर लगाया तभी टब भरा ना, तो द टब इज फिल्ड विद वाटर. आई नो हिम, नो के साथ कभी भी बाय नहीं आता. ही इज नॉन टू मी. सो समवेयर एज पर द सेंटेंसेस द चेंजेस आर देयर. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट डबल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Sometimes there are two objects in the sentence, out of which one is the direct object and the other one is indirect object. What is direct object? Which answers to question what. What is indirect object? Which answers to question whom. So we can have the passive form by using any of them as the subject of the sentence. तो इसमें कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. इसमें डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को भी हम सब्जेक्ट बना सकते हैं और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को भी हम सब्जेक्ट बना सकते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट मेंशन्ड कि आपको पैसिव में डायरेक्ट के साथ ही कन्वर्ट करना है या इनडायरेक्ट के साथ ही कन्वर्ट करना है. ही गेव मी अ बुक. सो विच आंसर्स टू क्वेश्चन व्हाट, दैट इज डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. फर्स्ट वी आर चेंजिंग इट विद द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. अ बुक वॉज गिवन टू मी बाय हिम. इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में इसमें ही जो है, see, he is the subject, gave is the verb, me is the object, and a book is also the object because they both are receiving the action. Me is indirect object because at whom the action is happening, a book. So what are we talking about? तो जो what का आंसर करता है वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. जब हम डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की बात करते हैं तब हम अ बुक को पहले ले रहे हैं. अ बुक वॉज गिवन टू मी बाय हिम. जब whom की बात होती है तो I was given a book by him. So there is no hard and fast rule, but this is how we make the passive with the double objects, and please remember both the objects should be used in the sentence. Now till now we have discussed about how do we change from active to passive, but passive can also be changed into active. Only we have to understand the subject, the object, the verb and the tense. For example, a story was written by Mary. Here a story is the subject, was is the helping verb, which shows that we are talking about simple past tense. Written is the verb, by is the preposition Mary. So Mary becomes the subject. Mary wrote a story. This is how we change from passive to active. I hope the concept of active and passive voice is clear with you. Please keep on practicing. Thank you.